Today we're cooking an Aubergine Bhaaji. We need one medium-sized aubergine diced up. We need one onion diced up, one tomato. Then we need some seeds, curry leaves, mustard seeds, jeera seeds and onion seeds. Ginger and garlic paste, teaspoon of each. Half a teaspoon turmeric, a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of jeera powder and half a teaspoon of chili powder. 2 green chilies chopped up, an handful of coriander chopped up.
Okay, so we're going to heat up the pan and we're going to put in some oil.
Put about 4 tablespoons, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it's aubergines, they absorb the water, the oil quickly. Add the mustard seeds, the curry leaves, the jeera seeds and the onion seeds.
Next we'll add the ginger and garlic.
And let it burn. Add the chopped tomatoes. And give it a stir. Let the tomato cook till it goes soft. Soft, add all the curry powders. Fry till all the raw smell goes. Now add in the aubergines. Stir it well and cover it with all the spices. 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Do not add any water. Keep stirring so don't burn. Green chilies and the coriander. Give it a stir and now cover it with the lid and let it cook with this on its, like with this steam. Let it cook in the steam. Cover the pan and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes till the aubergine is soft. Now the aubergines are cooked and ready to eat. Look. Nice.
This can be eaten with rice, chapatis, roti, or just as a side dish.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.